At a very instinctive level, we kind of know and get it that being outdoors is good for us.
We're evolved to be out in natural environments, and our bodies have loads of biological mechanisms that reward us when we spend time outdoor in nature.
Medical schools have conducted research in the phenomenon of Shinrin-yoku forest bathing, and we can see very measurable outcomes in terms of improved immune function, so an increase in white cells from people spending time in forests, and we can see reduced stress, improved attention.
Physical activity is well known to be really beneficial for mental health in any setting, but if that setting is in the natural world, that benefit is doubled, which just shows how inherently important connection with the natural world is, I think, for the human being. Our surgery has been part of an initiative for a couple of years now, where we have the opportunity to refer people to outdoor health projects. Particularly for general well-being, stress and anxiety. So I've witnessed some quite remarkable transformations in people that we were seeing frequently in the surgery, finding it difficult to help. It offers the possibility of not only an intervention, but if you like, a preventative approach to improve our health and well-being in a low-cost way to reduce the kind of modern-day ills that we see now.
Nature-based interventions could be the thing that help to link people with their local environment, to realise goals of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, and to realise this more holistic lifespan preventative model.
We live in an amazing country in Wales. There is so much that is green around us every day of our lives, and therefore the opportunities for us to do outdoor activities are there in abundance. So why don't we use nature more as a way of contributing towards our physical and mental health? We know that our current systems don't work as well as they should, but actually putting this at the core of thinking requires us not just to tackle ill health, it requires us to look at how we can prevent physical and mental ill health. And what better way to start than nature and health?